Oh, first
Look at his
bite of
eyes.
food.
Look at his eyes. It's like, you know, it's for him. Is that coming to my mouth?
Stand up. No? No food?
What do I do? I'm not sure he knows what to do. No, but it might come right back. Their tongue often just pushes it right back out.
Oh, he tasted it.
Did he?
Yeah.
Did
He
he?
liked it.
Tongue went in and out.
Yeah.
Did he?
That's so cute. He is so sweet.
He doesn't know quite what to think of it, does he?
This is the most mellow kid.
It's because the parents are mellow.
As opposed to us.
I didn't say that.
Baby, do you want to...
Well, let's just put it this way. Our
Should I keep going? Or shall I eat?
Stop now. It might be hours.
Pasternak.
¿Cómo se llama?
Pasternak.
Pasternak.
Good.
Okay, well...